Satya Color Lab has been started on 1989 with 5 employees. During that time, we started with the cinema printing. So we done it for Tamil movie, Malayalam movie, Telugu movie, and Kannada movie, and some Hindi movies also. In 2016, we bought Konica Minolta 71HC. We got a very good result, and the customer response is also good, and we made a lot of prints on this machine. So we really used to print such good albums, good number of albums, and all we done it, and results also very good. So customers also very happy with the results what we are giving. And in our lab, each and every album we took about 2 to 3 hours for corrections alone. So we are not a production oriented, we are the quality oriented people. So we done small quantity but with good optimum result on this machine. Earlier we used to do on silver halide with manual printers. That is in before 90s we did it like that. After 90s it started with a digital printer. Not a digital printer, it is a negative printer. It may be that it is a processor based. So after that 2003 onwards the Karishma album has started. Karishma album means silver halide Karishma albums, that thickness will be more, and on the Karishma album we cannot make not more than 40 sheets. That is a big problem. So for if you are going for a 60 sheet, 70 sheet album, we have to split into 2 albums. 2 albums in the sense the cost of that album will go high. So customers asked, I want to do on 70 sheets, 80 sheets in one album, like that they said. Then after 2009, what the thing is changed, they changed into synthetic album. So synthetic album we can make up to 100 sheets per album. So like it's a lightweight, and thickness of the album is also very less. So customers also happy. Our customers also happy. Okay, 100 sheets album we can give 1 album to the customers, and they can save the money also. Like that they said. Then that industry is totally changed. That from 2009 onwards, slowly changed, and 2015 onwards is totally changed into synthetic industry, synthetic albums. When we started with Konica digital printers, so the color vibrance and all it is good. Some fluorescent colors, it's excellent. So we got a very good quality on the fluorescent colors. Then some violet colors and all, we used to get it very good on this machine. So customers also happy. So what colors which they are giving, that same colors we are getting. So they are very happy on that. One more main advantage of this machine is we can make a banner prints. Such a big prints like 13 by 42 sizes and all we can make, and we can do the jacket for that albums. The thin papers we can print on this, and we can put a jacket on that albums. So that is a big advantage on this machine. Konica Minolta service is very good. So we are getting the service engineers on time. Suppose if I made a complaint, immediately the service engineers are turning the calls, and over the phone also sometimes they are guiding. In case if it is not able to solve that problem, immediately they are coming within 1 or 2 hours. They are reaching my lab. And the secondary is that I am getting a toner on time. Suppose if I am ordering on the toners, anything, it means immediately I am getting. If I order on the morning, I can get it toners in the afternoon or evening. If I am ordering on the evening, then I am getting on the next day morning. Then secondary is that spares I am getting on time. Suppose if I am ordering for a spares also I am getting on time. And that other thing is, that main important thing is that operator training, less operator training is required. Any operators, if I give training in 1 or 2 hours, that is enough for them to make the prints and all. So operator training is not that much required. So it is a user friendly machine. Anyone can operate easily. That is the main advantage of this machine. The downtime for the machine is very negligible. It's very less. So maybe 2 hours or 3 hours only the maximum downtime. So we are happy that we can satisfy our customers. Approachable.